Good afternoon. Afternoon. Today we're gonna be learning about area of a circle. This is gonna be so fun. So here we have a problem. So we need to help Gia find the area. So here Gia swam from the center of a circular pool to its edge, covering the distance of 6 meters. Now we know how many distance is there to the edge of the pool from the center of the pool. It is 6 meters. Now, what is the area of the circular pool? These tips will help you to find the area of the circular pool. Number 1, draw a circle. We draw a big circle over here. And then we already know what the distance to the center to the edge of the pool. It's 6 meters. So meaning our radius is 6 meters. Here, illustrate the position of Gia going to the edge of the pool. We already drawn that. It's right here. Number 3, always remember that pi is a very important part of the circular pool or a circle. There, that is very important, so we need to keep it in our mind. Number 4, use the formula. Our formula is right here. Now, let's move on to that. So, example, number 1, A. A represents area. Now, area equals pi r2.
Or R?
R square means 2.
R is squared.
R is squared because there's 2 right there. R means the radius. Our radius is 6 meters. Since there is direct 2 there, we need 2 6s.
You have to multiply 2 times, the
Yeah.
number 2 times.
So here,
The equivalent
now
number.
the equivalent of pi is 3.14, and the equivalent of pi again is
The value
also,
of
the value of pi is all. You can also do it to 22/7 because when you divide 22 divided by 7, you get 3.14 and many other numbers. It goes on forever and ever, and it never stops and it never repeats. So here we got our 3.14 times 6 meters times 6 meters. Now we need to first multiply 6 meters times 6 meters. 6 meters times 6 meters is 36. Here, right there. Wait, okay, we need to put that aside. Now 36 square meters. Okay, now I need to multiply these two. 3.14 times 36 square meters is equals to, I don't know yet, but first we need to multiply them. So 6 times 4 or 4 times 6 is 24. So then we carry 2 and then bring down 4. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 2 is 8. So we bring down 8 right there and then
Right.
cancel it out so we
8.
don't get confused. Now 6 times 3 is 18. Now let's move on to the next number. 3 times 4 is 12. We carry 1 and bring down 2. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 times 3 is 9. Now we got our answer, 942. But before that, we need to add it. So we bring down 4. 8 plus 2 is 10. We carry 1 and then bring down 0. 8 plus 4 is 12 plus 1 is 13. We carry 1 and then bring down 3. 1 plus 9 is 10 plus 1 is 11. Now we got our answer. It's 113 and 4.
Why?
Where did we get that decimal point right there? It's from the 3.14. We have to count 1, 2, and then if they see the point there, we count 1, 2, and then point there. So that's how you answer it. Like this, there are also many solutions to answer it. But if there's only like one number with 1 and 0, that's 100, you can do this. This is much more easier way. Or 200, 2 million, you can also do this. It's much more easier. So like this. You put 3.14 there. You put 1 here above the 4. And then put the 0
Below
zero
the
there.
4.
Below the 4. Now, we bring down the 2 zeros. 4 times 1 is 4. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Now we get 314 and yeah, zeros. That's much more easier. But if you want a longer one, you can do this. 100 times 3.14. So 0 times 4 is 0. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 1 is 4. Now we do the other side. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. See, that goes on forever. But since there's only 3, you can just do 3. So here, 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 1 is 1. Now we
3.
add it. 3. Now we add it. 0, we bring down 0. Brings down 0 here. We bring down 4, we bring down 1, we bring down 3. Now we get the same answers as before, but this one is much more easier. And I will use this tons of times. I will recommend this to all of you to use this. Since we already got an answer here, let's go back to our lesson. Here we have 113 and 4 squared meters.
113 and 4 hundredths.
400 squared meters. Since we already got the answer,
That is the area
that is
of...
the area of the circular pool that Gia swam in. So, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video. And, of course, if you got the video, don't forget to go to my channel. Yeah, so bye guys.